Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can practice calculating the area for a square and the area for a rectangle. Now there is a lesson on this topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Let's run through these quickly. Calculate the area in each of the following examples. So here we have a rectangle which is 8 meters long and 3 meters wide, and the lesson gave us a formula that we can use. So if we employ that formula, that will give us the area without any problems. The same with a square. The side of the square is 5 meters. Now we only have to give one length because all the other lengths are the same size. For example 3, it's exactly the same as this one, except the numbers are a little larger. So if you use the given formula in the lesson, that will give you the area of that rectangle. And exactly the same here for a square. The side is a little longer, but you just use the formula to find the answer. Number 5. If the area of a square is 81 square meters, find the perimeter. So these problems are very, very interesting, and what I would advise is that a diagram is drawn and put the information on the diagram, and then there shouldn't be much problem in finding the answer. Number 6. If the perimeter of a square is 32 meters, find the area. Number 7. The length of a rectangle is 13 meters. If the perimeter is 40 meters, find the area. Number 8. The width of a rectangle is 9 meters. If the area is 108 square meters, find the perimeter. The length of a rectangle is 3 times longer than the width. If the perimeter is 48 meters, find the length, the width, and the area. Now this is a really good one for drawing a diagram. That'll make it a little bit easier. And here is a challenge. This is a very interesting and challenging problem, but I thought I would put it in because it'll definitely create a lot of interest. A rope is 60 meters long. How can we form a plane shape with straight lines so that the area of the shape is the maximum possible that can be formed? What is the name of the shape? So try and find what shape is formed, find the name of it, and then once you do that and you apply this information, you should be able to find the actual area, which is the maximum possible area for that given length of rope. So this video has given a few slides where we can practice finding the area of a rectangle and the area of a square, and there are some very interesting worded problems here which also incorporate perimeter, which we've done in previous lessons. Don't forget, on the next slide there's a link, and if you need help, just click on that link.